Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, wherever you're watching my video from. Welcome to Zach Discovery's YouTube channel. It's an opportunity. We are meeting again and we are happy to be live today. So you can also check me in my Instagram, Zach Discoveries, Fellow the Boy, and Otenga Jr. So thank you so much for those who subscribe to my channel. Those who are new in this board, please, do not give up. Do not come in and leave, because good things are on the way coming. So we are at Kiburanga village today. That's where I'm coming live from. And I know most of you that are new in my channel, they don't know this place, but I will let you know. So I'm happy to have you on board. I'm happy because you have joined me in my channel. It is Zach Discovery. So be assured to sail safely and fly safely and land safely. Thank you so much for finding time to watch my video, for commenting, for liking, and without forgetting to share the link. So we're moving to 5,000 plus subscription. The humble request, if you're new in the channel, do not forget to subscribe. So where am I coming from today? I'm coming from Kiburanga at Fellow the Boys construction site. So guys, I'm happy because we have quite a number of activity. For those who did not find time to watch Fellow the Boys channel to see the progress of what is happening in his land, quite a number of activities are happening here that you guys are going to be amazed and they're going to be happy of what our guy, our boss, is putting down. So in fact, where we are, the house, under the roof that I'm in, is one of his store. So for those of us who need shade, we are here. But I'm here today because he has rushed somewhere very important. So I'm here to be managing the activity that is taking place here. So he'll be back, I think, in the afternoon. I think in the next 2 hours. So when he comes, he'll take over then. So why am I here? As I've said, to take over, to manage what is happening and to report back what has transpired when he was away. So I'll be showing you around what exactly is happening, but we start from where I am because one of his room, one of his store. Yeah, a very good construction, but there is a slope house, but it's going to be an amazing finished structure. Why am I saying that? It's a very strong structure because it has 2 lintels, as you can see, already roofed. It has some piping for wiring. Beautiful work. One day, if this store is the work is completed and nothing is done in this store, then that means this room can be changed to be a bed sitter guy. A bed sitter in our place here means that is a room that you have both a bathroom section, you have a kitchen area, then you have a bed somewhere here. So you can have a bed here, you can have maybe a bathroom the other side, then you can have the kitchen section, then you can use one area with a table and one sofa set. Yes, then from there you can room but containing everything. So I want to start from this side here. Yeah, the guy who is checking you and laughing is one of our friend around here. By the way, this land, this is the road that to that post. That is where Fellow the Boys land is reaching. So the truck, the dumper or the car is supposed to negotiate there. All where we have the stones is where he's used as a road to enter his land. So these are some of the stones that he has brought, but there are few, by the way. As I've seen, there are few because of what is happening today here in his land. They're not going to be enough. So some of the guys that are working here, they're carrying. Yeah, one of them is here.
Oh, me?
Yes.
Oh. You want me to say something?
Say hi. Say hi to
Hello,
me.
good people.
Yes.
We are here at the Fellow the Boys site. We are working, we are putting the foundation, as you know. We are handmade, as it is.
Yeah.
As usual. I would like you please support Fellow the Boys,
Yeah.
Zach Discovery, Otenga Jr., and all YouTubers around.
Yeah.
Including me.
Including, oh,
I'm soon
having your channel. That's good. You're
I
welcome.
believe through you and other people, and our viewers, your viewers.
Yes. You'll grow. You'll grow.
I think that's why I've dedicated myself to work.
All right.
In the YouTube community.
Oh. Okay, that's good.
I'm Kimune Morris.
Yeah, yes.
And that's the name I'll be using.
Kimune Morris.
Kimune Morris.
Kimune Morris.
My genuine name.
Kimune Morris.
Kimune Morris.
All right, all right, all right. So this is Kimune Morris. By the way, he has been in this site for quite long. Since they started with fencing. You remember when we came here, he's the guy we were with him during the purchase of the land. They did the demarcations, the boundary that is, they placed the wiring, that is the post and the wire. To date, they worked on the toilet. So the product of that toilet is his work. They started with the pit itself. You constructed from there. Yes, I think they know you. So get a phone and get your channel going.
Yeah, I'm working with the phone. The problem is how smartphones are very expensive.
They are.
I have the one you call what?
The button.
I have the button, but I'm working upon
to get a smartphone. You're welcome. When you have your channel, you just let us, because they would like to see what you put on the channel.
Exactly.
Yeah, these are colleagues that are working. As you can see, they're having some. We call them machere.
Machere, like somebody yesterday told us in the morning. They're called in English. They're like the ones for the hospital.
Oh.
You once did medicine.
Oh, those are for carrying patients. Oh, all right. Maybe we'll check out. But they look like a ladder.
No, ladder is for up.
Yes, but you can just put it on a wall and you climb using it.
It can be okay. It can be used, but
anyway,
it's for carrying stones.
These are not for stone, not for patients.
Temporal. After here, they can be used as firewood.
As firewood. And the nails can be removed and used somewhere else.
Yes.
Yes. So these are colleagues.
Nails can also be sold as paper.
You'll get that, guy. So before we go to the main site, you want to say hi?
Yeah. I'm Remy Kelvin Mangare. I'm Remy Kelvin Mangare.
Remy Kelvin Mangare.
Yeah.
So you also are assisting us here.
Yeah, I'm the elder brother to Getangita.
Oh.
Yeah. So kindly support these guys. Support. We thank you a lot because you have been supporting us. And remember that if you support us, you support the whole world.
That's true.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And kindly please support us.
Thank you. So I wanted to check. INCHARGE has gone. He's working there. So there's one guy that is below here. He's working on. Rafiki yangu. Bado unamwaga maji bwana?
Umundani.
Eh. I don't know whether you can see him.
Naega maji ndo parainiki.
Oh. Sasa wewe chapa kazi tunaona ukija juu bwana. Najua pale hata inaweza kadondoka na hii ni ofisi. Yeah, so the guys putting here, I think we have one of the best engineers around. Because Richard, mambo vipi? This is Richard, the one who is handling the Sir Edward's project. He's the guy that is in charge, but he's a very humble guy, but a silent guy that is very angry sometimes. So he's the one in charge. And you can see that he has seen that he needs to do something. He cannot just stand on and command people around. He has to show by example. So that is what he was doing. He's Richard. So any project you guys will be having as mega as this one, you'll be seeing this guy. Unless otherwise. Unless he is taken abroad. So you'll see him along. I just want to show you briefly what is happening. So here we have a mixture of the masons and the handsmen. Yes. Like this one that is hitting. Is the mason, eh? Mura vipi? Wewe ni fundi? Ah, unaitwa nani ba? The youngest, wewe ni Richard pia? Ah. Mnaukona huyu Richard? The youngest mason around. Ama kuna mwingine? How old are you? 21. The elder, no, the youngest. I think this is the youngest. There's another one. Karibu bana, karibu kazi. So, leo ndio umefika hapa mara ya kwanza? Oh, I hope you'll come again, eh? So is Richard and these are? Moses. You're also a mason? Oh, this line is made of mason. All this way. Aye. Okay, okay. You are who? Chacha Chris. Welcome. Welcome. At Fellow the Boys site. This one wanakujua? Jaja Joseph. Mimi tu ndo nakujua. Najua wao wako hapa wakujua. Jaja Joseph. Karibu sana Chacha. So guys, they are laying the foundation. As you can see, they are laying. This side is a bit slopey. So that is why it has to be raised this level. And it has to reach. Lazima ifike hapa Chacha, si ndio? Oh, it has to reach where the level of the rope is. It's a tedious job, but we are going to work on it because we have enough mason and enough handmen. Manu pesa sasa ni nini hiyo bwana? Mbona unatoroka mapema rafiki? Haya. Okay, so my friend. Okay, you and this one, they know you. Tell them, remind them the name.
I'm Ivan Smerama from Abia. I'm the mason.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was telling them that from here, all around like
Around,
this.
yeah, all
To that guy.
This one?
The one in apron.
No. Yes.
Yes. Ivan Smerama from Abera.
From Abia.
Plus our friend here.
What's your name?
Me, I'm called Joseph Bagen.
Joseph Bagen, yes. Oh, you are from around, eh? Welcome, Joseph. I hope we are working on finishing the whole house today. You are not sure whether we shall finish. Why do you think we shall not finish?
Because this side
it is low. It needs a lot of stones to raise. Eh? All right. So shall you raise up even this part?
Yeah.
Or even this part?
Yes. That part is even going higher than this part here.
But I think now what we can do, we have to do at least the bigger part. So that tomorrow when you come, all of you, as others are now filling the other parts, the rest are raising the other parts. Yeah, thank you. So there is an assurance that if we don't finish, at least we shall have done 90% from not 70, at least 90%. So guys, this part has to be raised. Bagen, hebu weka hapo nikuulize. Najua hata hapa hii mawe itafika hapa. Okay guys, there's a lot of work to be done. So these stones have to be raised to this level. Now you can imagine, they have just started. That one I was thinking that is the lowest part. But these stones you're seeing here has to be raised to where this level is. This is the level. This is the highest. So meaning this is the kitchen section. So meaning that person who will be coming from here, you shall put stairs. Oh. All right. Now, then maybe that's why the masons were saying that they're not sure about finishing it today. Because this side needs a lot of stones. A lot of stones. But we're working on it. We're going to do the best. We have quite a number of... I think there are 10 masons and 10 handmen for this section of the foundation laying. Then, madam, kwani mumechoka ba? Unapeleka huko na huku bado? Na huku bado? Si huku bado? Kana kwa nini unapeleka huko na wamemaliza huko? Amona shinda penye utakuwa unapita. Si uzunguke hivi, ukifika hapa hivi unapita tu straight ikae hapa. Hey. So that is one of the lady who are helping us in water bath. Mko wangapi? Wanne. Mbona ninaona tu watatu? Sasa yeye mtahesabu aje? Amepea yule. Kuna kijana analeta maji hapa. Mbona sijaona huyo kijana akileta maji? Amemwaga. All right guys, so I was trying to confirm how many people are bringing the water because water is really needed here. A lot of water. So the reason why I was telling you that those stones will be consumed is because this side, especially this side to that side of the drum, toward to where that mason is, the one with the maroon, I don't know, it's maroon, the one in, is it yellow or orange? Orange apron. That is orange. Yeah, okay. That one, orange. That side toward those many mason, the other side toward the guy that is the green. I don't know whether you can see him somewhere there. They need a lot of stones, quite a number of stones. Kai, can you imagine, guys? This is the level that this side has to be raised. This side, this one, is the level. Wow, quite a number of stones will be used here, and very many. So far, so good. But I'm just hoping that, yeah, I'll just need to talk to the mason himself, because we need to pull up. We need to do the 95% of the work here. We don't need to come again here and tomorrow, because we need to do the refilling tomorrow of this project. And the refilling again, we'll need more dampers of stone, because we shall put more stones inside these rooms, plus the stones plus the sand. Now that means that most of those soil and near the hip of the bricks will be removed toward this side, so that they can be levelized to the level of this rope. You're seeing these ropes that are showing now the level. This one, they're showing the level of where it's supposed to reach. Yeah, that is it. So I think for now, for here, we are done. Maybe the next part, the next activity that's taking place, let me pass here, because I don't need to spoil that, because we really need to be careful, because once you tamper with this level of the ropes, then it means that there's no work that's going to be. So I'm just trying to show you around what is really happening. Have those people who are putting the slab in those rooms of the store. Then the last room, the guy standing at the door is the mason there, with the guy that is mixing with the libero, is the handman. Then we have this group here. Then we have a third group that I'll show you shortly what they're doing, because we have 3 activities. We have the foundation laying, we have those people that are putting the slab, those rooms, and they have people that are doing another activity that I'm going to show you shortly. Stay tuned, let's head there. Guys, I was forgetting this guy.
Yeah.
Hello, the boys top muscle.
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to Zach Discoveries YouTube channel.
Yes.
In fact, today we are very happy. As you can see, we have really interacted with
Many people.
masons from different parts.
By the way.
We have today some new masons from.
And even others are very young.
Yeah, I think he's from Nyankore.
No.
Yeah.
Muru unatoka Nyankore? Wapi bwana? Nyankore na huko napajua bwana. Unanijua mimi? Ana sura wapi Nyankore? Nyankore exactly same guy. Sasa kwa Masambara ni nani sijui? Kabisa ni wake. Kweli. Kwa huyu na Getangita mwenyewe ni makazi. Sasa zuti mubiara wao. Oh, so this guy is a neighbor from the village, eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all about our new
Youngest mason.
Yeah, so
I'm just happy.
We are now here raising
the foundations.
The foundation at Follow the Boys land. So this is how we have done it.
Yeah.
In fact, down here it will be raised high.
In fact, they can even see.
Yeah, the land is somehow slopey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The highest, the level you raise the highest is that side.
How you're seeing the builders' lines.
Yeah. Or they are called the builders' line.
Yeah, that's.
I was telling them ropes. Don't laugh, man. Don't laugh. That is
Anyway, that's our level now.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that means you need like another two dampers of
complete that point.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
So this point here will be backfilled as from maybe tomorrow.
With the more stones and soil.
And more. Yeah.
In fact, there's a lot here. Before you put the slab, there's a lot to be done.
Yeah, there's a lot to be done before.
All right.
Yeah.
So guys, if it's the first time coming along this YouTube channel, consider by subscribing
Yes.
at Zach Discoveries, Fellow the Boy,
Tenga
Junior, and also Jose the Mason, without forgetting
himself.
himself.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're moving well. You're moving well.
In fact,
Yes.
I'm really appreciating with what we are doing to my channel.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mostly our subscribers, because we are in different parts of the
Well,
community, mostly here in Yabo Hansi, they are really supporting us.
Welcome.
In
Welcome.
fact, our communities are growing, our widows are being
Helped.
helped.
Yeah.
In fact, also I'm really appreciating.
Thank
I'm
you.
seeing your videos. You are really pushing people's communities, people's homes.
Yeah.
In fact, you are really doing great things.
Thank you so much.
So may God bless you.
Amen.
Yeah, from Jose the Top Mason.
Yes.
Nice time as you continue viewing our videos.
Yes. He's the guy in charge of all the Masons here.
Yeah, may God bless you.
Amen. And he is the guy that he was constructing the store.
Yeah.
A very lovely work. Huh?
Yeah.
So thank you, Jose. So you can check out his channel, because most of the time we usually tag him out. In our description, you check out his channel. If you cannot spell Jose the Mason, it's just there. You click it, then you'll subscribe. So we have quite a number. In fact, I'm shocked that that guy is coming from my village. Yeah, and the Masambara he's talking about is the guy that used to grow some pineapples. Mananasi. When you were young, that man, he was known for pineapples. So he used to carry them on a motorbike to Isibani. Yeah, I know people will not know him, but we knew him. He's a legend. We remember him. So there's a part that I'm supposed to take you to, but I'll be showing you shortly. I had forgotten about Jose the Mason, but you know there are many. So they're quite a number. But remember, hii kazi bwana ni kama utaweza kweli? Ulisema unaitwa nani? Frida. Lydia. Oh, Lydia kuna siku umeongea kwa video fellow. Yes. All right. I hope mambo yalienda vizuri. Hi. So Lydia is among also the ladies that Penemra. Ibiri Penem. Wewe nani alikwambia mama? Mama Derian. Sasa mbili bwana, mbili tu. Na nani? Nagaji. Oh. All right guys, so just hang on, I'll be showing you the next activity. We are toward the end part of this slab now. Sasa ratio hapa ilikuwa simiti moja vifuko tatu. Yaani vigari tatu. Ulikuwa unaweka ratio gani boss? Simiti moja, mchanga tatu ama? Hiyo mkokoto a ratio of 3 to 4. 4 sand, 4 ballast, and 1 cement. Leta koleo. So we want to be scooping so that the mason can refill that side, so it's in one level as the others. Yeah, so work is moving on smoothly and very lovely and very nicely. We're going to have a fantastic job. In fact, you can even see that there's even the doors that were used in this store are very strong. Very strong and well fixed. Very strong and well fixed. Yeah. So let's check out. Yeah, so guys, it's lunchtime. It's lunchtime here. People have to go for lunch, and we have to pause there. But the other activity that was taking place in this project is this. So Fellow the Boy had given some guys that were moving those bricks that were not well cured from here. You can see the ladder. Then they arrange them in this shade here. So from here, that means they will be cured again. They are full. They are not broken. So that is it, guys, from up here. Fellow the Boy, thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you so much for liking, for commenting, and for not forgetting to share. Bye bye.